Wild Heaven, Episode 2, Coffee, Calm, and Nature's Embrace. The camp is finally set. Her backpack has been unpacked, and a comfortable hammock hangs gently between two towering pine trees. The dense forest stretches endlessly in every direction, creating a peaceful world far away from the noise of civilization. The air is cool and fresh. Birds sing from the treetops. The wind moves through the pines with a deep, soothing roar. And somewhere in the distance, a waterfall whispers through the forest, its sound drifting softly through the trees. Now it's time for something simple and comforting. A fresh cup of coffee. She takes out her portable camping stove and carefully attaches the gas canister. After making sure everything is secure, she ignites the burner. A small blue flame flickers to life. Next, she opens her cooking kit and takes out a kettle, a mug, and a bottle of water. The kettle is filled and placed over the flame. As the water slowly heats, she pauses for a moment and listens. The forest is alive. Every sound feels natural. Every breath feels deeper. Soon, steam begins to rise from the kettle. The water is ready. She pours it into her mug, adds coffee, and stirs slowly. The rich aroma drifts into the cool, pine-scented air. It's a simple moment, yet somehow it feels extraordinary. With her warm cup in hand, she walks toward the hammock. The forest floor crunches softly beneath her feet. She settles into the hammock and lets it sway gently between the trees. Then she takes her first sip. Instantly, a feeling of peace washes over her. Above her, the pine branches dance in the wind. Birds glide through the open spaces between the trees. The distant waterfall continues its endless song. She can't help but smile. What a wonderful moment. The beauty surrounding her feels almost unreal. She sits quietly, taking in every detail of the forest. A few snacks come out of her bag. One sip of coffee becomes another. Minutes quietly turn into hours. Without realizing it, she has spent a long time simply resting in the hammock, surrounded by nature's embrace. It feels as if she is resting in the very womb of Mother Nature herself. No crowds, no traffic, no notifications, no distractions. Just the rhythm of the wind, the trees, and the earth. Eventually, she stretches out fully in the hammock and gazes up at the sky beyond the pine canopy. The forest no longer feels like a place she is visiting. It feels like a place she belongs. For a while, nothing else exists. She feels completely aligned with nature, completely present, completely free. After a long, peaceful rest, she slowly returns to the present moment. The day continues, and now it's time for a refreshing bath. Following the sound of the waterfall, she makes her way through the forest. As she approaches, the sound grows stronger. The cool mist touches her skin. The clear water cascades over the rocks, sparkling in the sunlight. Standing beside the waterfall brings another feeling of calm, another feeling of connection. She steps into the cool water and lets nature wash away every trace of stress. The experience is simple, yet deeply refreshing. A peaceful bath beneath the open sky. After a short time, she returns to her campsite feeling renewed. The afternoon light filters softly through the trees. Now it's time to prepare a meal. She lights her stove once again and begins cooking. There are no fancy ingredients. No luxury dining, no elaborate recipes, just simple food prepared with care. The kind of meal that tastes better because it is earned through adventure. When the food is ready, she sits quietly and enjoys every bite, surrounded by the forest, accompanied by birdsong, cooled by the mountain breeze. It is not richness that makes this meal special. It is simplicity. A simple meal, a simple life. a deep connection with the natural world. This is what nature-aligned living feels like. Finding joy in less, finding peace in simplicity, and discovering that some of life's greatest moments happen far away from everything, deep within the heart of the forest.